Alright you guys, so we just got this new brake line extension, or the extended brake line in, and we were about to hang the calipers, but I think we're just going to wait a second and until we get the axle on, and then we'll go for those calipers. But now it is time to put those leaf springs on, which is a really, really big part, and I am absolutely stoked. I cannot wait.
Yep.
Is it on? Oh, nice.
See? So then you just pop that off and boom. Look at you, mechanic.
So when we were doing the suspension, obviously you saw us sand and paint and totally restore pretty much every single part underneath the truck, and putting it all together, it just completed the whole picture. I am super happy with how it turned out, and I would love to hear how you guys feel about it too. So definitely be sure to comment down below, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Take care, you guys, and I will see you all next time.